Happy New Year everyone! Welcome to Teverun. Today, we are introducing the Teverun Space Lite, a design-driven electric scooter created for modern urban mobility. To begin, let's go through the unboxing. Space Lite is part of Teverun's Space series, focusing on clean design, integrated lighting, and a strong visual identity for everyday city riding. After completing the simple installation, it's time to take a look at Space Lite's design. Alright, let's take a closer look at the design of Space Lite. From the front, the stem and frame feature sharp, futuristic lines, giving the scooter a clean and confident stance. Moving down to the deck, Space Lite integrates full RGB lighting directly into the body. This lighting enhances visibility during night rides, and gives Space Lite a distinctive presence on the street. And it features over 10 RGB modes for you to explore. With Space Lite's RGB buttons, you can freely customize your lighting and roll the night. The overall design is focused on clarity, balance, and a modern urban aesthetic. Now let's go through the full specifications of the Teverun Space Lite. The Space Lite has 3 gears, and its top speed is 45 km per hour. It delivers up to 2,400 watts of peak power, providing smooth acceleration for urban riding. The scooter is powered by a 50-volt, 18-amp-hour battery, offering up to 60 kilometers of range under ideal conditions. It features mechanical braking for consistent stopping power, along with front and rear spring suspension for improved ride comfort. The Space Lite features a new folding mechanism that saves more space and makes the folding process simpler. It weighs 30 kilograms, offering both a premium feel and stability while remaining easy to carry. Space Lite is tuned specifically for urban environments. Acceleration is smooth and predictable, making it comfortable for city streets and commuting. The suspension helps absorb everyday road imperfections, while the overall riding position feels balanced and controlled. During regular city rides, Space Lite features an LCD display, clearly showing speed, battery level, and riding mode. Integrated NFC unlocking adds an extra layer of convenience and security, allowing riders to unlock and start the scooter quickly and easily as part of their daily routine. Space Lite is designed for riders who value clean design, nighttime visibility, and a modern urban riding experience. It is well suited for daily commuting, evening rides, and riders looking for a scooter with a strong visual identity within the city. It is priced at $998 in the United States and €899 in Europe, making it the most affordable model currently offered by Teverun. Space Lite represents Teverun's design-focused approach to urban electric mobility. By combining integrated lighting, thoughtful features, and a clean design language, Space Lite offers a distinctive option within the Teverun lineup. So don't hesitate if you like this scooter. Thank you for watching and Happy New Year!